Midway Auto and RV. We have our brand new Kodiak Ultralight 242RBSL here. There's a ton of awesome options on here. I want to show them to you. So one thing that you'll find about Kodiak is for the quality, it's a super low price. So starting out, you see the aluminum bear cage construction. Now what that is, it's a 6-sided aluminum construction. So your walls, your roof, your floor, everything on there is aluminum. Now what that's going to do is give you a lot more longevity with the hot and cold weather that we get here in Montana with the wood. Screws can come loose with the expanding and contracting of the wood. With aluminum, that doesn't happen. So you're going to have a lot more longevity. Also, it gives you a lot lighter weight in your camper. So for this one right here, just over 5,000 pounds. That means that you can pull it with a Ford Explorer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Chevy Traverse. All of those smaller SUVs would be able to pull this camper. The second thing I want to bring up about the Kodiak is the hyperdeck flooring. This is super awesome, and this is going to mean that your camper is going to last a lot longer. If you've ever been in older campers and the floor gets a little squishy because there's a little bit of moisture that got in there and the wood absorbed it, there's no wood in the floors of these Kodiaks. It's completely aluminum with the hyperdeck material. It's all composite, so you will never have anything that can absorb water inside the floor of this camper. On all Kodiak RVs, they come with the fiberglass siding, but what's different is it's vacuum bonded all the way around. So your sides, like most campers, but also your ceiling and the rear wall. On most campers, those are just regular fiberglass, not vacuum bonded, and so you don't get that nice sturdy feel that you do on a Kodiak all the way around the RV. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. One of my favorite things about the 242 is that you get the dinette and the sofa in the smaller camper. A lot of times you only get one or the other and they put it right there in the slide, but they came up with a really awesome floor plan here where you get both. There's been a lot of thought put into every detail of the Kodiak campers. Right here you'll see a stainless steel farm style sink so you can fit your full pans in there and let them soak. You also have the electric fireplace, as well as a ton of storage up above as well as behind the TV mount here. The bathroom in the back of this smaller camper is also super spacious. It's super awesome how they have the backlit medicine cabinet as well as the toilet in the corner and a walk-in shower. Here in the bedroom we have a full-on queen-size bed. A feature that I really love that a lot of people are using right now is the shelves in the corner for the CPAP machines. A lot of people can't sleep without them anymore, so they put those there, and there's also outlets in there to plug them in. So there you have it, the 242 Kodiak Ultralight. Sleeps up to 4 people, 5,000 pound towing weight, 27 foot in length, and it has all the amenities that you'd ever want at a price that's affordable for anyone.